Okay, we're gonna unbox the TV mount now. Paperwork. It came with the TV screws and spacers, the lag bolts and washer, a level, Allen key, and some screws to mount. Put the assembly of the wall assembly together, and a template for the wall assembly, and the TV brackets. The wall plate comes in two pieces when you unbox it, and just to get the wall plate assembly in place, it comes with these 4 screws. So what we're going to just put them in the screw holes to screw the 2 pieces together to make it 1 piece. Okay, next we're gonna attach the TV brackets to the TV. I've already tested on this one. I was able to determine that the M6 35mm screws fit the best with my TV, the TCL TV I have, and then its corresponding spacers. So I did one side to have it all in place. This TV has these 4 screws here that's already set for the mount for the TV. So let's go ahead and do the other side now with the spacers. I'm just going to hand tighten it, and then I'm going to go back with my handheld screwdriver and tighten it all. You don't want to use the power drill here because it could damage the TV, so you want to just use a handheld screwdriver to do so. Just a little bit, just feel like it's tight, do a little tug, and TV mount, TV brackets are on the TV. Alright, next we're gonna find the stud on the wall that we want to put the TV on, and center the stud and figure out where the studs are so we can put the template on. So I have this stuff on it to sort of help me find the stud. Instead of using the template, I'm going to use the actual wall bracket and see if I can just mark it this way. And this way I can also level it up better than using the template to make sure that it's level before I make the drill. So I want my center of my bracket to be right here. This of where I want my TV, the middle of my TV to be. I'm gonna level this. I'm gonna mark the holes wherever the drill. Okay, that looks appropriate. Now I'm gonna drill a hole into the wall. Okay, I'm gonna use this 7 32" drill bit to drill into the wall. Okay, I'm ready to mount the wall plate to the wall. Gonna mount it. This is this lag bolt that comes with it, and the washer. The washer is just this on the lag bolt, and then you screw it into the wall. Adjust the level a little bit on both sides. So now the wall mounts installed, and on the wall we can mount the TV. TV is now on the wall, on the mount. this TV has these little latches here. You can like take it off the thing if you need to. You can just hide behind the TV like this, and it won't show up anymore. But those little latches are there, so you can take it off the mount. And this mount you can tilt out a little bit. There's a couple of screws right here that you can tighten. You're gonna keep it in one position. I'm gonna leave it upright for now. That's how it looks behind there. Yep. That's it. That's how you mount the TV using this bracket. Alright guys, see you next time.